Hi folks, welcome back. So a bit more progress, another video in. So what I've managed to do is I've finished fitting the brake pedal and servo, and I've fitted the clutch pedal and new master cylinder, the slave cylinder down at the bottom in there, and the new pipe from it, which is from Pioneer 4x4, which I thought was only a flexi. So I spent an hour of my life cleaning up this old hose, well, it's old pipe, stainless steel pipe, that I now don't need, but there we are. I need some more clips for that, just to, I mean, it's in vaguely where it's going to go, but I need some clips to fasten it away. The throttle cable is in, and the throttle, and connected up with new pins and split pins, sorry. So that's that done. It's not in the right position, the throttle cable. There's nothing to run it on, so it's just sort of stuck up in the bloody air out of the way at the minute. Still haven't got the fuel lines back. I'm expecting them back next week from Pioneer. As soon as that comes, they'll go on, because it's another box ticked. I've put a new banjo bolt in a oil feed for the turbo, so it's another little one ticked off. And I've stripped a few more bolts out of the bulkhead for the steering column, because there's only the short part of the steering column left to come out. So my next job when I come up, or one of my next jobs, is going to be strip the dashboard out. I wanted to leave it as long as I can, but it's a pain in the ass really now. I need to, the three mains is strip that out, strip the steering column out, strip the heater box off, and then the wiring loop. So I'll get through that as soon as I can. So that'll be, I might get one done next week, you never know, might get lucky. So what else have I done? Not a fucking lot, to be honest. Seems like I've wasted so much time on trying to get things, to refurb things, that, to be honest, I think because I got lucky with the servo coming up really well, I thought, right, well, I'll start saving a few more bits, and genuinely it wasn't worth it. So there's the brake balance valve. You see me cleaned it up in a time lapse earlier, because it was just corroded as hell. And I thought I'd get it cleaned up and then I'll get it apart, and if it'll go again, it'll go again, but it won't. It's absolutely seized solid and it's bollocks. The only thing I'm probably going to be able to use out of that is the bolt. So, well, at least I know it'll fit. So yeah, there's a few other bits and pieces to go on. Like I say, I'll try and get up and do some more next week and put another video on. You can see in the background of some of the time lapse my daily was in, and my son, bless him, put a new set of discs and pads on it for me. Obviously I bought the bits and it probably cost me in the long run, but there we are, life's hard. So please, if you don't subscribe, just hit that button and subscribe. Give me a like and a thumbs up. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. I only need another 26 people to get to 500. Happy days. I'll be thrilled with that, to be honest. So apologies for the slow progress, but you know, they're only 10-minute videos, and I'm sure you can cope with my dulcet tones for that amount of time. Anyway, keep safe, enjoy, speak soon, cheers.